Welcome in the Rijksmuseum. My name is Chi and we are now in the Gallery of Honor with all the most important paintings of the 17th century. This Gallery of Honor leads you directly to the most important painting in our collection, which is the Night Watch. Why did this painting become so famous? After all, it's just militiamen guarding the city of Amsterdam in the 17th century. These gunmen are led by the captain in the black costume, Frans Banningkok, and his lieutenant in the golden costume, Willem van Ruitenburg. They're on the verge of marching into the city. And what makes this painting so unique is their gestures and their movement. For instance, the guy in the red costume, he's loading his gun. And over there behind him, there's a flag bearer. And on the right-hand side, you see a drummer beating his drum. Instead of placing them all in one line, Rembrandt chooses to portray a group in action, and that's what makes this painting so unique. On the Night Watch, not everything is what it seems to be. Rembrandt liked to confuse his audience by adding figures and symbols in his painting. He even added himself. Look at the flag bearer. Next to the flag bearer, you see a guy with a beret on. It's never been proven, but experts think that that is Rembrandt. Hidden in the Night Watch is an instruction manual of how to fire a gun. 3 people behind the lieutenant and the captain are demonstrating that. The guy on the left, in the red costume, is loading his gun. He's putting gunpowder in the barrel. In the middle, you see a symbolic figure shooting. And on the right-hand side, another musketeer is cleaning his gun by blowing the gunpowder away. Another special feature of this painting are the light and dark effects. If you close your eyes and peer through your eyelashes, you see different spots of light. 2 spotlights, one on the lieutenant and one on the girl. But if you paint a portrait normally, you want to divide the light equally. Rembrandt chooses otherwise. He decides to play with light and dark effects to create a more dramatic effect of the whole picture. What most people don't know is that the original Night Watch was much bigger. But what happened? In 1715, this painting was moved from their clubhouse to the palace on Dam Square in the middle of Amsterdam. It had to hang on the wall between 2 doors, and it didn't fit. So what did they do? They cut off pieces from all sides. From the left-hand side, the biggest part. Incredible. And we don't know what happened to these pieces. They just disappeared. Another reason why this painting became so famous is that many people use this painting as inspiration for their own group portrait. Take a look, for instance, at these firemen and these equestrians. We even have a Donald Duck watch. But I'm curious, if you decide to come to this museum with your family or your class, what figure are you going to be in this painting? Do you want to be a soldier? Or a princess? Or a dog, maybe? Or the captain? I'm very curious.